Hello champs! Welcome to Robonix STEM Camps. Let's learn by the STEM way.
Smart Robotics STEM Camp.
Robonix presents robotic STEM project workshops for K-12 kids. Join Robonix STEM workshops and make your kids learn how to transform all their imaginations into realities. All the techniques can be learned under Robonix's ATL Advanced Table Idea Camp specially designed STEM program for K-12 kids. Register your wards under Robonix various STEM camp programs. Kids can opt under Robonix Winter Holidays Camp, 5 Weeks Camp, Weekend Camp and Summer Camps.
Robonix has designed various smart robotics projects for K-12s. Aero modeling, smart robotics, science projects, 3D printing and AI programming workshops.
Robonix STEM centers are kid-friendly and are located in Delhi and NCR. To know Robonix STEM center near you, please log on www.robonix.in. Register your kids today and give them opportunity to learn by fun way under Robonix STEM techniques.
Dear visitor, subscribe and press bell icon button and select all.